Alright guys, this is a new airdrop called EverRise. This is built on the Phantom blockchain, and I'm going to teach you how to claim it for free. As I usually say, airdrops are 100% free. Alright, before then, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Also, you can share the videos for others to benefit from it. Alright, those on YouTube, I'll be leaving the referral link of this airdrop in the description box. You'll find it at the title of this video, an arrow at your right hand side. You'll be seeing an arrow there. When you tap on it, it will redirect you to Telegram bots like this. So what you have to do is go to start. So you go to start, they will ask you to join all this, and before then they have a daily claim of three rise, and minimum is 16 rise. So 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18. So every 6 days you can claim the minimum withdrawal if you don't get anyone to refer. For those who will be referring, each person that you refer is 6 rise. Alright, so the airdrop will be ending around 30th of October, and distribution is done within 12 hours. Alright, so let's continue. The first thing that we have to do is join the channel. So I have already joined this channel. So the new ones, you'll be seeing join here, then you tap on that join. Alright, so second one, you go to the group, then you join. As you can see this, you join, you go back, then you go to Telegram, the advertisers one. This one to have joined already. Then you go to Telegram group for the advertiser, then you join that one too. Alright, then you go back. So after that, they will ask you to follow them on Twitter and all those stuff, but you just go to check. Alright, so it says you were invited by senior professor. So EverRise token, and this is the information that we did earlier. So what we have to do now is go to submit detail. Alright, so they will ask you of your what they call it, Telegram username. So mine is at DiceCU. That's my username. Then they will ask you to join this one. We've joined already at the top, so you just have to go to done. When you go to done, they will ask you to follow them on YouTube. You can, this one you can choose to do it. So you just enter any email. So online money makers, that's our email, onlinemoneymakers@gmail.com. Then they will ask you to enter your Twitter username on profile link. Alright, so this one you have to follow this one on Twitter and this one too on Twitter. So for the sake of the new members, I'm going to do this. So when you tap on it, you go to open. Tap on it, you go to open. So you can see I had already follow. So you are seeing following here. For the sake of the new members, you'll be seeing follow here in black color. Then you follow it. Alright, so I'll follow this one. So you can choose to like there. So let's go to the next one, the advertiser. So you follow the advertiser too. Alright, go to open. Alright, so this for the advertiser. This one too I have already followed. So you just have to go back. After following, You have to go back, then enter your username. So mine is at Dice Moneymakers. Then you submit. So they will ask you to visit the channel. This one we done it already, so you just have. So the next thing that they will ask you to do is to enter the phantom what contract address. So you just have to go to your Trust wallet. Okay, so we are going to search for the rise. So this one is already listed, that's why we can. So this is they need what the phantom. So this is the phantom, EverRise phantom. So you just have to enable this. So when you enable it, you tap on it, then you go to receive, then what you copy. So when you copy, you just have to go back to your Telegram bot, then you submit it. So after that, you submit everything. So they will give you your your referral link. So you'll be seeing your referral link here. Then it says anyone that you refer, you get 6 rise, and you have a daily bonus. So you can see from here the claim that I was saying. Every day when you go to claim, you get what 3 rise. So when you get for 6 days, you can get 18, 3 6 18. Then you withdraw as the minimum of 16. All right, so thank you very much. If you want to see your stats, you just have to go here. It will give you the total referrals and the balances that you are having. So when you get the minimum withdrawal of 16, you go to withdraw, and when you go to information too, they are having the contract address. So you can the contract address, we've done that one already. So and the airdrop is ending 30th of October. Thank you very much for being here with us. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like to the video. Also, kindly comment and share the video for others to benefit from this project. Keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Do not pay any fee or any penny for any airdrop. Also, keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Thank you. See you in another video.